Hello again, John here from Infection Prevention Ireland. Just reminding you about our Victory electrostatic sprayers and Tech Air Control and how they can protect all the surfaces in your business or workplace, making them virus-free and back in use in as little as 10 minutes with no wiping down needed, and no worries about viruses recontaminating any of the surfaces, with protection for up to 28 days, giving your staff, your customers and your visitors the confidence to work, shop or do business with you in the knowledge that they are safer from infection, because you have put their safety and comfort as your number one priority. Remember, you'll be getting the fastest and best surface disinfection while making massive savings on your costs and time. Click on the link on this video or go to our website www.infectionprevention.ie to find out more.